Setting up some emergency bags for the vehicles, and this is a nice set because it comes with four bags right away, and these are emergency blankets, and you can either, if you have a family, keep four of them all together or separate them like I'm about to do. So it comes with some information about joining their club. That's pretty cool. They come in a nice little pouch here, which has a little carabiner that's a locking carabiner. That's kind of a neat touch. We can open up this top zipper, and there we see the first of the four blankets. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 in the bag here, and we won't open them all, but you can open up this first one. We can see that they've got a little slider there. These are definitely nice, and they say these are the thickest Mylar emergency blankets out there. Well, I didn't realize they had a camouflage color to them. That's pretty cool. And if we take a look, they're definitely a little thicker than others I've seen, a little stronger. We've got the reflective side, and then they've got a camouflage side. As you can see, they wad up pretty good, and they go in this little nylon pouch, so they're safe from abrasion or unraveling. And like I say, these are going to be easy to separate or keep them together. Hope this helps.